In our industry-leading crash laboratory, we could recreate almost any accident in real life.
This test recreates a typical real-world scenario when the driver might not be able to see an object and brake in time. The automatic emergency braking, also known as AEB, is an example of the preventive safety features.
The first car runs at 50 kilometers an hour towards the second car, but managed to brake to full stop just in time, avoiding a collision entirely. The car engaged its strong safety cage, and that helped transfer the loads while managed to deform and absorb the energy from this violent crash. And of course, the side airbags and the inflatable curtains were also activated immediately at the impact, and that helps to protect the occupants. The energy in this crash test is about 30% higher than the most severe standardized side impact tests required today. The test today is a great example on how we can cover a wider range of scenarios than what is required to achieve 5 stars in any rating. So we can create safer cars to better help protect people and accelerate to a future of zero collisions.